Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start your chapter number 3, that is your linear equations. What is linear equations first? But here in this chapter number 3, we will discuss only linear equations in one variables. So linear equations in one variable means what? Here the standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0. Suppose ax plus b equal to 0. That is your general form of what? Linear equation in one variable. Here a and b is what? A and b is constant and a not equal to 0. Or any example here, x plus 5 equal to a. See, this is also your linear equation. This x plus 5 equal to a. This equation is also what? Linear equation in one variable. Here variable is only, you are using what? X. Only one variable. So x plus 5 equal to 8, that is your linear equation in one variable. Means what? Linear equation means in the here x to the power what? Maximum highest power should be here only 1. X to the power 1 plus 5 equal to 8. This is your linear equation. So y plus 2 equal to 5. So this is also linear equation because here variables is only one variables y and here power is what? 1. So x plus 5 equal to x plus 9. X plus 9, okay, 2x plus 9. See, this type of equation is also your linear equation. Here linear equation in one variables. Here you are using only one variables means x and x. So linear equation in two variables means what? Here linear equation in two variables. Two variables example is what? General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here you are using x and y. In this equation variable is what? X and y. So twice x plus thrice y plus 6 equal to 0. So this equation is called what? Linear equation in two variables. Here x and y. This x and y are what? Variables. So but in this chapter we will discuss only linear equation in one variables. So forget about this linear equation in two variables. Okay. See, linear equation in one variable. Okay, here suppose x plus 5 equal to 8. Okay, that is your linear equation in one variable. Means what? Left hand side is what? X plus 5 equal to 8. Right hand side is 8. For what value of x? So this left hand side and right hand side will be equal. See, if you put here 3 in case of x, if you put suppose here 3, then 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Means 3 plus 5 what? 8. See, 8 equal to 8. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Means this 3, x equal to 3, x equal to what? X equal to 3. This x equal to 3 is called roots of this equation. So x equal to 3 is called what? This is called root or solution. Solution or root of the given equation. Root of the given equation. Of the given equation is x plus 5 equal to 8. Means if you put here 3, then you will get the same left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So x equal to 3 is called solution. Solution means x value. After solving you are getting what? X equal to 3. So every linear equation you need to find the value of x or y. So there are two types for solving linear equations in one variable. So first method is what? Say solving linear equation. In first method is what? Using inverse operations for elimination. In this case, if you add to the left hand side, then you should add in the right hand side also. It means what? Suppose here, example, any example, x plus, okay, x minus 5 equal to here 8. X minus 5 equal to 8. In this linear equation, how to solve? by using what? Inverse operation. Here is minus 5, so you should add x plus, here is minus 5, then you should add plus 5 in the left hand side. What? If you add to the left hand side, then you should add the same number to the right hand side. Means here you should add in the right hand side also plus 5. You are adding what? Plus 5 in the left hand side and plus 5 in the right hand side. Then see, minus a plus a minus. So you can cancel minus and plus. So x equal to what? 8 plus 5 is what? 13. So x value is what? 13. X equal to 13. So you can say you are getting x equal to 13. This is your root. Root of the given equation is what? X equal to 13. You can say this x minus 5 is what? 8. If you put 13, 13 minus 5 in the left hand side. Left hand side is what? X minus 5. 13 minus 5 is what? 8. Is equal to right hand side. Means your value is correct. So x equal to 13. So you can solve by using what? Inverse operation. So if you add in the left hand side, then you should add the same number in the right hand side. And again the next is what? If you subtract a number from the left hand side, then you should subtract the same number. Same, just change this x minus, okay, just back it. This one x plus 5, this is your equation, okay. X plus 5 equal to suppose 9. Here x plus 5 equal to 9. So in the, so you need what? X value. So x, if you put, so for getting cancellation, what you should put here? You should subtract minus 5. Minus 5 in the what, left hand side. Then again here 9 minus 5. You are subtracting by 5. Then you can cancel out 5 minus a plus a minus. Then x equal to what? 4. So x equal to 4. So this 4 is called solution. Solution of the x plus 5 equal to 9. This is. Next is what? If you multiply the left hand side by a number, then multiply the right hand side also by the same number. Means if you multiply in the left hand side, then you should multiply that the same number. See example number 3. Suppose 1 by 2 x equal to 2. Okay, you need to find what? X value. So here is not coefficient of x is what? 1 by 2. So only you need in the left hand side only x. So in 1 by 2, if you multiply by 2 in left hand side, see, you are multiplying the left hand side by what? 2. Then here also 2. 2 into 1 by 2x equal to 2 into 2. Then here 2 cancel out. You can cancel. Then remaining is what? X equal to 4. So your x value is what? X value is what? 4. In this way, if you multiply in the left hand side, then you should multiply in the right hand side. Then last is what? So in the inverse operation, if you divide the left hand side by a number, then you should divide that the same number in the right hand side. Any example, okay? Any example, suppose 5x plus 1, 5x plus 1 equal to 6. 5x plus 1 equal to 6. Here, this coefficient of x is what? 5. So you need, so you are dividing by 5. Dividing by 5. Then 6 by 5. This is after cancellation, x plus 1 by 5 equal to 6 by 5. X equal to 6 by 5 minus 1 by 5, and the LCM is what? 5. 6 minus 1. So 5 by 5 equal to 1. So you are getting what? X equal to 1. So you are getting x equal to 1. So if you put here x equal to 1, 5 into 1 plus 1 is what? 6. 6 is equal to 6. This left hand side equal to right hand side. You are dividing in the right hand side by what? 5. Again in the right hand side also 5, in the left hand side also 5. So that is your first method. This method is called what? Inverse operation for elimination. See, second method is what? Transposition method. Transposition method means what? Suppose I am taking this example, thrice x plus 4 equal to 13. Okay, here you need to find a value of what? X. See here, thrice x, okay, and equal to 13. So this 4 plus 4 you should transform to the right hand side, so with minus sign. So here is minus sign, so if you transform in the right hand side, so you should change this sign, minus 13 minus 4. Then thrice x equal to what? 13 minus 4 is what? 9. 3x equal to 9. Then next is what? This coefficient of x is what? 3. So this x, just write here, then this 9, this coefficient of 3 will go here. See, x equal to 9 by 3. So if you do cross multiplication, x 3 into x will get 3x, and 9 into here 1, 9. Means here coefficient of x you are dividing in the what? In the right hand side by here. This coefficient of x is 3. So you can cut 3 3 is 9. So x value is what? You are getting x equal to 3. So transposition method means this left hand to right hand side you are transforming here. After transposition you should change the sign. Then you can bring the right hand side to left hand side also. So here you can check this value x equal to 3 is your solution or root. Root of the given equation is what? X equal to 3 is the root of the given equation. You are getting what? X equal to 3. Again you can check this x equal to 3. Check is what? Thrice x plus 4 equal to 13. Means what? Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. When if you put x equal to 3, then you will get left hand side equal to right hand side. Second, left hand side is what? Thrice x plus 4. 3 into 3 plus 4 equal to 9 plus 4 is what? 13. That is equal to right hand side. Right hand side is 13. So you are getting what? X equal to 3. So if you put in the left hand side, then you are getting what? Right hand side equal to left hand side. Okay, this is setting. Here transposition method means this. In exercise 3.1, so we'll use the transposition method. Okay, I will start your exercise 3.1. Okay, please write down. See exercise 3.1, solve and check by substitution if your answer is correct. Here question number 1 is given. So in this case method is not mentioned, so you can use any method. So here I will use your transposition method, second method. So solution, twice x minus 9 equal to 11. Okay, solution, here I will use your second method, transposition method. Twice x minus 9 equal to 11. Here twice x minus 9 equal to 11, give implied sign. Then twice x, here see this 11, then this 9 you transpose it here, you should transpose in the right hand side, this with plus sign. See here is minus sign, if you transpose to the right hand side, then the minus should be plus. Twice x equal to 20 is 11 plus 9 is what? 20. Then twice x equal to 20. Okay, sorry, that is your x equal to 20 divided by this 2, this coefficient of x you are dividing here. See 20, then x equal to what? 10. 2 10 is what? 20. So x equal to 10 is what? X equal to 10 is the root. Then again this x equal to 10, check by substitution if your answer is correct. So you can check. See here, check means what? You should get the left hand side equal to right hand side. Here twice x minus 9 equal to 11. In the left hand side is what? Twice x minus 9. So x value you are getting what? 10. So 2 into 10 minus 9 is what? 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9, here is plus sign, plus minus say minus, that is 11. Means in the right hand side also here equal to what? Right hand side. This 11 is equal to right hand side. Here you are getting what? Left hand side equal to right hand side. So the solution is the solution means what? Your x equal to 10 is correct. Is correct. So that is your answer, x equal to 10 you are getting. Then you can check by putting what? X equal to 10, then you are getting x left hand side equal to right hand side. So next question. Next, Roman number 2. 4x plus 3 equal to twice x minus 5. Here 4x plus 3 equal to twice x minus 5. So you need to find what? X value. 4x. Okay. In the right hand side is twice x. So you should transform here. Bring here with minus sign. So if you bring in the left hand side, so it will change sign. Twice x. See, here is plus, but in the left hand side minus. Equal to this minus in the right hand side minus 5. Minus 5. Here is your plus 3. If you transform here, then minus 3. 4x minus twice x, then here minus 5 minus 3. If you change, here is plus. If you change, then it will change what? Minus sign. Here is plus sign, then here minus sign. So 4x minus twice x means plus minus minus, or you can take the x common here. 4 minus 2 in this way. 4 minus 2 x equal to, okay, minus minus is what? Plus. So 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So which one is bigger? Minus sign. So you should put here minus. Then here 4 minus 2 into x. Okay. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 2x equal to minus 8. Okay, please this bracket don't confuse here. Here x is common. X, then 4 minus 2 inside bracket, just I am writing here your coefficient of x. Then okay, x equal to what? Minus 8 by this 2. If you divide here, then minus 8 by 2 is what? 4. So x equal to, you are getting minus 4. So coefficient of x you are transforming here, then x equal to 4. So you are getting x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is the root of the given equation. Again you can check here in the left hand side is 4x plus 3 equal to twice x minus 5. Means you should get left hand side equal to right hand side. Here left hand side is what? Left hand side 4x plus 3. X value is what? Minus 4. If you put x equal to minus 4. See, 4 into minus 4 plus 3 equal to 16 plus, okay, this is your minus sign, then 3 minus the plus the minus, then 16 minus 3 is what? 13. Which one is bigger here? 16 sign is what? Minus. In the right hand side also twice x minus 5, twice x minus 5. So again you put, in case of x is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5. So this is into. You can keep bracket 2 plus the minus the minus. Then 2 4s are 8. Minus 5. That is your minus 13. Means you are getting what? Left hand side, right hand side equal to left hand side. So your solution x equal to minus 4. Your x equal to minus 4 is correct. The solution x equal to minus 4 is correct. This value x equal to minus 4 is correct, because if you put here x equal to minus 4, then you are getting what? Left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is correct. Please write down. Next, number 10 is what? 4 into 1 minus p equal to 3 into 4p minus 2. Here Solution for 1 minus p equal to 3 of p minus 2. Here this 4, this bracket means what? Multiply. Here is multiply sign. So you should multiply here 4 into 1. 4 into 1. This 4 into 1. Then again here is minus sign. Here is plus sign. Say plus minus say minus. Then this 4 into p. 4 into p. Then equal to here 3 into p. 3 into p. This here is plus sign. Plus minus say minus. Okay. In multiplication you should remember this plus into plus is what? Plus. Then minus into minus is what? Plus. Then opposite sign is minus. Plus into minus sign is minus. So you should remember if the opposite sign minus and plus is minus. Plus and minus is what? Minus. And the same sign plus into plus is what? Plus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Here 4 into 1 and here is plus sign, plus minus minus. 4 into p equal to, then 3 into p, here is plus sign, plus into minus is what? Minus. Plus into minus is what? Minus. Then 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Next 4 into 1 is what? 4. 4 into p is what? 4p. 4 into p is 4p. And 3 into p is what? 3p minus 6. Then here you need to find the value of what? P. So p minus 4p. Okay, this minus 4p. Then this 3p you bring here with minus sign 3p equal to, okay, from right hand side to left hand side you are transforming. So minus sign, then equal to this minus 6. Minus 6, just keep. Then this plus 4, you transform it here, minus 4. This left hand side to right hand side is minus sign. Then here, minus the minus a plus. So, 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is what? 3p plus 4p is what? 7p. Okay. Then here is minus. So, this term, variable, here x, your variable is x, here also says x, so you can do calculation and you can add or you can subtract. Here variable is same, so 4p and 3p minus plus, so 7p and minus sign. Here is 4 is bigger, so minus. Here minus the plus a plus, here minus a plus, then 10 with minus sign if 6 is bigger. So then p equal to minus 10 by minus 7. You can cut this minus sign. Then the result is what? 10 by 7. Your roots is what? P equal to 10 by 7. So you can write the record roots of the given equation is what? 10 by 7. Again you can say. So you are getting what? X p equal to 10 by 7. Again sec it. Sec 4 into 1 minus p equal to 3p minus 2. This left hand side, in this left hand side, 4 into 1 minus p and 4, 1 minus p value you are getting 7, 10 by 7. So 10 by 7, 4 into 1 minus 10 by 7, just you take LCM, here is in the denominator 1. So 1 and 7 LCM is what? 7. Then here it goes 7 times, 7 into 1 minus this 7 to 7, how many times? 1. Then this numerator into numerator 10. 4 into 7 minus 10 by this 4 into 3 by 7. Okay, plus or minus that minus, and 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Then which one is bigger? 10. So sign is what? Minus 3. 4 into minus 3 divided by 7 equal to plus, here is plus and plus or minus that minus 4 3 is 12 divided by 7. You are getting, we get what? Left hand side equal to what? Minus 12 by 7. Again you should check in the right hand side. Okay, here right hand side. In the right hand side what? 3 into p minus 2. So 3 p value is what? 10 by 7. 10 by 7 minus 2 equal to 3. Here 1 and 7 LCM is what? 7. Then 10 minus 2 into 7. Okay. Here how many times this goes? 7 times, so 7 into these 2. Then 3 into 10 minus 14 by 7 equal to 3 into 4 by 7 with minus sign. Here plus minus minus 10, 14 minus 10 is what? 4. Then the sign is what? This 14 is bigger, so minus sign. Then 3 into minus 4 numerator and this here is 1, so 1 into 7 is times 7. Then 12 minus 12 by 7. So in the left hand side also you are getting minus 12 by 7, in the right hand side also. Means what? Right hand side equal to left hand side. So the solution is correct. You are getting what? X equal to 10 by 7 is correct. The solution is correct.